Imagine this: the train is absolutely packed, sweltering hot, and I'm desperately searching for a seat after a long day. Finally, I spot an old lady getting up near a window seat with a girl next to it. I approach and notice a purse occupying the empty seat. "Excuse me, could you move your purse?" The girl with headphones completely ignores me. I gently reach for the purse to hand it to her, and suddenly she erupts. "What the bleep do you think you're doing?" I calmly explain I just need a seat. She claims she's saving it for a friend. I know that's a lie since I watched the previous passenger leave. As I start to sit down anyway, she's forced to grab her purse, unleashing a storm of insults at me. The entire car is watching this drama unfold. I notice another elderly passenger looking for a seat, approaching our row. That's when I've had enough. I lock eyes with this slightly overweight girl and say, "Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't realize you actually needed 2 seats to fit. My bad." Some passengers look shocked. Others are trying not to laugh. Was I wrong for what I said?